In today's video, we're going to talk about the dollar breakdown that happened today and what it could mean for next week. All right, hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Hope you had a good week. So looking here at the DXY, the US dollar index, we're seeing the market drop below 105.60 here following non-farm payroll today. So basically every single data point today missed, and that's causing severe dollar weakness. Right now, 105.60 has kind of been a must-hold level, in my opinion, considering the fact that it's been a significant level since late 2022. And we've also seen the market hold above this over the past few weeks. In fact, all of October spent time above 105.60. So today's breakdown could be very significant for the dollar going into the end of this year. So looking here at the DXY, we also have this short-term trend line off of these recent highs. So you can see off of this high up here, we've got a couple more right through here before the breakout. We got the breakout. We had FOMC through this area. Okay, so we got a retest here before FOMC, retest afterward, and today is breaking down. So, obviously we are looking now at potential dollar shorts going into next week. Now, as far as, where to look here for the DXY, in my opinion, it's going to come down to, as we'd expect, 105.60, right? This confluence of resistance based on that short-term trend line, also that key horizontal. So we now have a daily and weekly close below. Obviously, the markets haven't closed below just yet. We do still have a couple hours left in the day, but barring a miracle for the dollar here, the market is going to close below that 105.60 area. Now, the one caveat to this is that you do have to keep a little bit of an open mind, and you should always keep an open mind as a trader, but especially with this because it is a Friday. And a lot of times, Friday breakouts are prone to failing. So, if we were to see the DXY close back above this area next week, okay, then this down here becomes a fake out and we're looking at continued dollar strength. Okay, so, obviously it seems, less likely right now, but you always have to keep an open mind as a trader. So that is the one thing that would negate everything I'm talking about here today if we were to get a close back up here above 105.60 next week. All right, now in terms of targets here for the dollar, in my opinion, with this breakdown, we are looking for, potential dollar weakness going into the end of this year. So one area to keep an eye on is going to be where the market's sitting right now. Okay, so this level right here around 105, okay, so just above it, about 105.09, this is really going to be a pivot here for the dollar to where if we get a close above, I would be looking for a retracement up toward this area, right, followed by a potential rejection down here toward the next key level, coming in down here around 104.30. Okay, so this is a very obvious level for the dollar if we do see the DXY continue lower next week. Okay, so you can see we've got the swing high back here. We've also got highs right here before the breakout. And it's interesting to note that the DXY never retested this level as new support following that breakout. Okay, so we could see something like this, from the DXY over the coming days, as long as it holds below 105.60. But like I said, that is going to be the level to hold below. Any type of close back above this would be bullish for the dollar. Now, let's take a look at where that would put the EURUSD. And if you guys are enjoying this content, be sure to smash the like button, also subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. And once again, last few hours here to join the VIP group at a discount, guys, link at the top of this video. So you will get daily videos, exclusive setups, and you'll also be able to see my trades in real time. And also I've been developing a new trading system over the past few months that's showing really promising signs. So far, initial back tests going back 6 months are showing an average of 8% profit per month, risking 1%, and drawdowns in the 4 to 5% range. So it is a 1-hour trading system that I will be launching next month. So I'm putting together the videos right now, and if you join today, you will get full access to that when it launches. All right, guys, so, see the link in the description here on YouTube to take advantage of that last few hours. So looking at the EURUSD, I have this channel on here because this is something I showed earlier in the week, and this is kind of playing devil's advocate to today's breakout, right? So clearly, you can see the lows back here for the EURUSD, right? And now we have this breakout here today, okay? So the market tried back here and failed, and now we are getting some follow through here for the euro. Now, this channel, though, again, is kind of playing devil's advocate saying, well, what if this is just a retest of the top of this channel, right? Which it could be, and that's the thing about trading is that we don't know, especially with Friday moves. Okay, so this right here, could be just a retest of the top of this channel before we get a rotation lower next week and then close below in a continuation, okay? So you've got to stay flexible with this, And again, it comes down to the DXY. If the DXY were to close back above this area up here, okay, next week, then that's our clue that this is the fake out and we're looking at dollar strength. Okay, so, this could be just a retest of resistance for the euro. But if it can find support, and here's what I think it's going to come down to for the euro, if it can find support at this area right here around 106.90, okay, if it can find support through here next week and do this, right, then I think we're looking at a euro breakout. If it can't, and we see the euro start to close the day below this area here next week, okay, so do something like this, close back down here, this is our fake out, and we're looking at continued euro weakness. Okay, so keep a little bit of an open mind here. Yes, we are seeing a breakout, but you can also make the case that it is still just kind of a sideways market and still congestion, right, following a very aggressive downtrend. All right, so as of right now, I am leaning bullish on the euro, bearish on the dollar, but that could change. So again, do keep an open mind. All right, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to take advantage of the discount that I'm running right now in the VIP group. See the link in the description of this video. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you again next week.